Hi, student. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the second topic of IGCSE biology. As you can see on the screen, that topic number 2, and its title, is cellular organization, means organization of life, how the life is organized. So you know very well that a cell, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Okay, and when the similar cell, a group of cells combine together and they make a specific functions, so it is called as tissue. And when tissue combine together, they make organ. When organ do a particular job, so it make a system. And when it's so many systems combine together, they make organisms. Okay, so in this uh, in this topic we have to discuss about the cell and the type of cells. Okay, and some special type of cells, and how the cells make tissues. Okay, and what is the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Okay, so let's move to the slideshow. Okay, so now see here, this is the second slide. As you can see on the screen, this is 2.1, cell structure and organization. See here, there is a similarity between the plant's animal cell, and in the second table you can see there is a difference between the plant and the animal cell. So first, the first similarity between the plant's animal cell, is cytoplasm. Now the question arises what the cytoplasm is. Cytoplasm, is a jelly-like substance, okay, that is found between the nuclear membrane and the cell membrane. Okay, and what is its function? Actually, it contains so many organelles. Okay, for example, like mitochondria, nucleus, and also it is the site of all sort of chemical reactions. Okay, either protein is synthesized, okay, and some other important compound are made in the cells. So all all processes are going on in the cytoplasm. Now this is the second one, is the cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane are partially permeable membrane that form a boundary around the cytoplasm. And this cell membrane, is the structure which is found in all type of cells. Either it's a plant cell or animal cell, bacterial cell, or okay, or the cell of fungi or protista. So cell membrane is found in all cells. And what is its function? It prevents cell content from the escaping and control what substance enter and leave the cell. Mean whenever any substance enters into the cell, okay, so it crosses the membrane. So of course, the useful substances enters into the cell, and if the substances are harmful, okay, that exit from the cell. So this cell membrane provides the permeability of the cells. Okay, and it controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. So this is also the common structure which is found in plant animal cell. Now the third one is nucleus. What is nucleus? A circular or oval structure containing DNA in the form of chromosomes. And where this nucleus is found, it is found inside the cytoplasm. And what is the function of what is the function of nucleus? It control all the activities of cell. It works like a brain of cell. Okay, either it's going to control the cell division of cell. Okay, it controls the cell development and control all the activities of cells. So this is nucleus that is found in between, uh, found in plants and animal cell. Okay, both. Now we will discuss the differences between the plants and animal cell. If you are going to study the uh, plant cell, you will see that there is a cell wall, and this cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, and what is the function of cell wall? It prevent plant cells from bursting, allow water and strains to pass through the freely permeable membrane. Okay, so this is a freely permeable membrane. Okay, but this cell wall, is made up of cellulose. But if you are going to study the cell wall of bacteria, it is made up of peptidoglycan. If you study the cell wall of uh, fungi, you will see that it is made up of chitin. But this cell wall is not found in the animal cell. Now, another structure, as you can see here, vacuole. Okay, what is vacuole? It's a fluid-filled space surrounded by the membrane. Okay, and it is, of course, it is found inside the cytoplasm. And what is its job? Its job is to store water, specifically, in plant cell. When vacuole, store a high amount of water, so cell become turgid. Okay, and in animal cell there are a variety of vacuoles, but these are small vacuoles, and some vacuoles are responsible to store food, so they are food vacuoles. Some vacuoles are responsible to store waste materials, so they are contractile vacuoles. So vacuole, if you are going to study the difference between the plant cell and animal cells, the similarity is that vacuole is found in both, but there is a difference of the numbers, and there is a difference of the size. In plant cell, there is only one vacuole, and this is the large vacuole. And in animal cell, there are many vacuoles, okay, and they are small vacuoles. Now, the another thing, is chloroplast. Chloroplast is found in plant cell, but it is not found in animal cell. So chloroplast, is the organism that contains chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, is a green pigment which has the capability to absorb light. Okay, so what is its function? It traps light energy for photosynthesis. Means chlorophyll, absorb light, okay, and convert light energy into the chemical energy. So this is about the similarities and the differences between the plant cell and the animal cell. Now just move to the diagram. Here you can see uh, this is the animal cell diagram you can see on the screen, and this is a plant cell diagram. And you can see the same differences, that chloroplast is found only in the plant cell, but it is not found in the animal cell. Cell wall is found only in the plant cell. It is not found in animal cell. And in plant cell, you can see the big vacuole. Okay, but in animal cell there are some small vacuoles. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, this is the diagrammatically difference. Okay, now come to some special type of animal and plant cells, because some structures are common in both. They both have cytoplasm, both have cell membrane, both have nucleus. Okay, but still there are some differences, especially the nucleus. We say that the nucleus is found in the eukaryotic cells. So plants and animal cell both are eukaryotic cell, but still, like in animal cell and in plant cells, some cells are there which do not have the nucleus. So we are going to just talk about some special type of plant cell and animal cell. So first, a special type of animal cell is seriated cells. The specialty of this cell is that it has the hairy structure that is called as a cilia. And this cilia is the locomotory organ. Okay, in some like uh, some part of the body. For example, these ciliated cells are found in the respiratory tract. Okay, which move the mucus out of the throat. Okay, so this is some special type of animal cell. Now another special type of animal cell, as you can see on the screen, that red blood cells. What is the special characteristics of this red blood cell? It has no nucleus, and instead of nucleus, there is a high amount of hemoglobin, and the function of hemoglobin is to combine oxygen and circulate oxygen in all parts of the body. Now, another type of, special type of plant cell is a root hair cells. These root hair cells have a large surface area, due to which it absorb high amount of water. Okay, another special type of animal plant cell is xylem vessels. These xylem vessels, they are a tubular structure, they are hollow inside, okay, and their wall are made up of lignin, and their function is to transport water and minerals. Another type of, a special type of plant cell, is palisade mesophyll. They are cylindrical and they are having a high number of chloroplast, okay, due to which they can perform photosynthesis very well. And another, special type of animal cell, is the nerve cells. And the function of nerve cell is to conduct the impulses, means electrochemical messages, are transferred by the nerve cells. So these are, some special type of plant and animal cell. There are also some animals, special animal cells which you are going to study in the topic reproduction. That is uh, sperm cells and the egg cells. And the sperm cells, they are having a long flagellum, due to which it just move, okay, and reach to the oviduct. Okay, and another special characteristic is that it has a half number of chromosomes. It's haploid cells. And the egg cell is also haploid. It also contains half number, means 23 chromosome in human beings. Okay, so these are the reproductive cells. Now come to the next part. See here, yes, as in the beginning I told you that when similar cells combine together, they make a tissue. Okay, for example, like, the bones is a type of tissue, nerves, muscles, epidermis cells, xylem vessel, these are the type of tissues. When tissues combine together, they make the organ system, which work together to perform specific functions. For example, like, stomach, heart, lungs, spine, brain, and eyes. An organ system is a group of organs with related functions working together to perform a body functions. For example, like, the nervous and the circulatory system. Now, one more thing is there is about the size of the cell, that is 2.3. It's about the magnification. What is the formula of magnification? Measured size divided by the actual size, or measured length divided by the actual length, or measured diameter divided by the actual diameter. So we also derive the formula of actual size from the same magnification formula. As you can see, actual size equal to measured size divided by the magnification. And there are also, the relationship between the like, the length of the length in micrometer and the meter. See, like, 1 lakh micrometer is in the meter. And see here, 10,000 micrometers in centimeter and 1,000 micrometers in the millimeter. Now, just understand this magnification concept by the triangle. See, I means, see here, image or the drawing size, or the measured size, or like, the length or the diameter, and A mean actual size of the image, and M mean magnification. So here you can easily derive the formula for magnification. For example, magnification equal to image size divided by the actual size. If you want the actual size, so you have to divide the image size by the magnification. If you want the formula of image size, so it is the product of actual size and magnification. So here there is also, some examples we can see here. Rearranging the equation to find things other than the magnification become easy, and when you remember the triangle, whatever you are trying to find, place your finger over it, and whatever it is left is what you do. So magnification, image size divided by actual size. Actual size, you see the same thing that we understand from the triangle. Okay, the same thing is here. Now see, there is also an example. An image of an animal cell is 30 millimeter in size, and it has been magnified by a factor of 3000. What is the actual size of the cell? So see, actual size mean the formula is image size divided by magnification. And what is the image size? That is 30 millimeter, and magnification is 3000. So when you are going to divide 30 by 3000, Okay, so you are going to get 0.01 millimeter. Okay, so okay, so now these are the topics that are subtopics which are in topic number 2. I hope you understand very well. If you still have any problem, okay, or if you didn't understand anything, okay, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number or also my email address as you can see on the screen. Okay, so I hope you understand very well. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.